Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys what I got from my Ipsy Glam bag and Ipsy Glam bag plus a PR. So I have the goodies right here. As always, if you guys want to know what I got in my Ipsy PR unboxing, then you guys know what to do. Just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the Ipsy PR for the month of June. I cannot believe it's June already. I feel like the time is flying. Before you know it, summer is going to be done and we'll be back into fall. But no worries for me because I'm a fall baby and I love the fall. So bring it on, fall season. But until then, let's enjoy what warm weather we have. The Ipsy theme for this month is show your colors. Hence all the colorful baggage that we have here today. So they gave this, I guess if you get Ipsy PR, they gave us this cool little, let's see, it's like a light that you put on your phone, I'm guessing. I've had one of these before. Whoops, I dropped it. So it comes with the port to charge it, and then I guess this goes over your phone. It says Ipsy on it. I don't know if this is going to really fit over my phone. Will it? Oh, well, it does fit over my phone. Would you look at that? It fits. So, oh, but I think it's supposed to be the other way. Like when you take your selfies, you have the lighting on you. I like that. I do like that. I definitely will use that. So thank you, Ipsy, for that. When you get Ipsy PR, they give you the Glam Bag and a Glam Bag Plus. I love getting free stuff and trying free stuff out just to give my honest opinion. Who wouldn't mind doing that? So as always, just because I get PR doesn't mean I'm going to be like,
oh my gosh, this was great, I love everything, you gotta get everything.
That's not me. Like I'm always honest. I know me, I love watching other YouTubers who are honest about their opinion, so I will always do the same for you guys. So I love that it has a little, what is this, like a little orange on here, I'm guessing. I don't know what it is, but don't come for me if I say it's not what it is. But nevertheless, we're going to start off with the small bag. Now, they always just put, for the most part, everything in the box. So I never know what is a part of the Ipsy Glam bag and what is a part of the Plus. So I'm just showing you what they gave me in the box. But like I said, this could have been in here and stuff in here could have been in here and vice versa. So they gave me a Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which I actually have on today. I'm going to put this in my box of things that I'm going to just give away. For me, this feels, it's very like slimy and tacky. And I know a lot of people like this because it's supposed to like, supposedly make like your foundation stick better. But for me, I'm like a texture person. I don't like that consistency on my face. I do have this on because I have like 2 of them that I've gotten them in other subscription boxes. So I want to use it, but like I don't need 3 samples of it. So I'm going to give this one away. That's what it looks like. And it looks like it's a decent deluxe size. I'm not going to take it out because I'm going to give it away. The next thing I got is from Belle and Argent. It's, I guess it's like a lipstick, I'm guessing, or lip gloss. Oh, I love the packaging. That's cute, purple chrome. And it's a lip balm, so it's probably going to be clear, but I loves it. So I'm definitely going to use that. Now, I'm all about primers. This is just my personal preference that I don't like this one, but I do like trying out different makeup stuff. It's just this in particular I've tried and I don't like it. So Milk actually came out with a new primer, which is not as like sticky and like greasy feeling to me. It's like in a black squeeze tube. That one's for oily skin. It would have been nice if we got like the newer primer in there, but they never really give like newer stuff. It's like later down the line they give it to you. But those are my first two items. The next thing I got is a Tarte Man Eater mascara. I think this is one of the mascaras I like the majority of Tarte's mascara. I love like the Tarte of the Sea. I love most of their mascaras, but this one I think is the only one I don't like. And the next thing I got, it says Bad Habit. It says wake up things up with matcha and mint morning cleanser. So I got a cleanser, which I don't mind trying. I'm all for cleansers, and cleansers and eye creams, but moisturizers I don't like getting a lot because you can't really try like 3-4 different moisturizers all at one time. So this is interesting. It says Froze Mini Body Scrub. I've been trying different body scrubs lately, so I definitely will try that out. It says Dew of the Gods, Froze. Alrighty, well, we'll try this out. I recently tried I got it in my FabFitFun box, the Way body scrub. It was nice, but I need something a little bit more abrasive, which is why I think I love like the Tree Hut body scrubs, because I feel like it really makes my skin soft. When it's too gentle, I feel like it's not doing anything at all. So, my opinion only. But now we're gonna get to the Glam Bag Plus. Alrighty, so they had the refreshments thing in here, which is like I want to say like a monthly subscription thing that you can like subscribe to through Ipsy. It's like razors and stuff like that. They have like razors, the shaving cream. I got this, I want to say, a while ago in previous boxes that I received. I don't know if this is a part of, if they just threw this in here, or if this is a part of what you could have got for like one of your picks from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you can pick 3 items, 3 full-size items, and then the other 2 full-size items they pick for you based on like your survey you took. And then I forgot to mention, in the Glam Bag, you get to pick 1. You get like 5 deluxe size samples, and 1 you get to pick yourself. So these are like babies. Sometimes you get full size, but this one is a guaranteed 5 full size items. So, refreshments box. This is the box. It's pretty pink, and it looks like peach. I may give this away because I don't think I used the last one that I got. I probably should have used the last one. I normally like to use, I forgot, are they Gillette? Like it's a 5 razor blade. I only like use that type, but maybe I should probably try the one that they gave me. So it comes with like the 2 razors. One just fell on the floor, which I'm not gonna bend down and get now, but that's like one of the razors, what they look like. It looks like the 5 blade though, so shame on me for not trying it, because it looks like it's a 5 blade, which I like. And then I get, oh, this is kind of heavy. I was like, hold on a second. But this is like the razor thing. And then what is this? What is this? I have no idea what this is. I guess it's like a stand or something. Oh, it's magnetized. So, I don't know. This must be some type of stand though. Does it have a card that tells ya? Oh, it's a wall mount. I like that. So you can mount it. Can you guys see? My lights are so bright in my makeup studio where I film. So it's hard to see like anything white unless it's really far back. Like if I put it close, you guys can't. Oh, can you see it? Not really. I feel like when you pull it back, you could see it more. Well, based on me looking in the monitor. But it's like, it has a little wall mount here. And you plug it to your, like mount it to your wall. So that's kind of cool. So those are the refreshments. Alright, so I got some Hip Dot. These are beauty blenders, but for the eye area, obviously, because they're so tiny. I love this, and I'm definitely going to use this. I got a Dr. Zenobia hyaluronic acid peptide serum. So hyaluronic acid is supposed to be more for like hydration, and my skin is oily, so I'm definitely gonna give this away. Add this to my box of things that I'm gonna put in my giveaway, because the girls don't need any more hydration. I got a brush by Le Rousse, an eyeshadow brush. You guys know I love brushes. You can never have too much. So I got a new eyeshadow brush. I also got a Dr. Brand. It's his triple antioxidant face cream. So nothing, it doesn't say it has anything spectacular in it. So I guess it's just saying like more of a standard moisturizer. I never knew they sold this. And I got a Ciate London Cranberry eyeshadow, which I have a couple of their shadows, and it's, to me, it's nothing that stands out. So I'm probably going to add this to my box of things that I give away. But I'll open it so you guys can see what it looks like. I love the packaging though. I was wondering if it smells, but that's just my lotion that I have in my hand. This is what the palette looks like. It's pretty, but like I really don't feel like I'm gonna use any of the... I have too many palettes that look kind of like this, so I'm not gonna bother saving this for myself, because I'm just trying to like... I've been more about less clutter nowadays, so I'm probably gonna add this to my box of things to just give away. And that was it. The bag has like little icy pops. I don't know what you call these. Icy pops? They're not like ices, or are they ices? I don't know. If you remember what they call this, I don't know. Put it down below. But the bag is cute. I read something on Reddit where they were like, they were gonna change the bags. Like when BoxyCharm, when Ipsy took over BoxyCharm and they merged, and they said there was a whole bunch of things that were gonna change. I want to say they said the bags were gonna be no more, but I don't know when that's gonna start. So, but I did read that on Reddit. I should have probably saved it to my phone for reference, but as of right now, they're still giving out the bags. So for people who like the bags, that's good. I don't keep the bags just because I like huge makeup bags. Like I'm in the beauty world, so I always want to try like different things. So I always have like 10 glosses, 10 mascaras, like not literally 10 and 10, but I'm just saying I just have a lot of stuff in my makeup bag, which most girls probably do as well. So like I don't like flimsy bags like these. Like I like a more sturdy bag that I can look through and see all my stuff. So these never work for me, but good for you guys, because I always give them away in giveaways. I give like 3 or 4 away when I do my giveaways. So that's all she wrote. What do you guys think? I'm very excited to have this from my phone though. Very excited for that. Not that I really take selfies that much, but when I do want to take one, I got that beautiful ring light. That's really about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Show me some love. Give me some likes.